Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I'm going to do a few others because I do find that maybe I'm missing some information today, because usually I do cover Avalanche and what was the other one? Link. All right, so this is Avalanche. So once again, we have a wave one, we have a wave two, reacted a little bit shaky level. So let's see if it can be reliable discount at the end. So we have another 5-way up. So this is going to be the first wave of the third wave in yellow. And now we are having this pullback. So now the question is this finished? Right? I am not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure. The MA50 didn't really hold us. And now we're going lower. Actually, that's the MA200 and this is the MA50. And now price is squeezed between two levels. We are now reaching the 0.5. So once again, price can go up to $33.60, the 0.786. And below that, it starts to be the shaky part, like we did here for the bigger wave 2 here. We don't want that, honestly. We want to have a nice, steady response. Ideally, the 0.618, but honestly, if we have a response here and price now reverse and go to the upside, he's going to make a case that this coin now start to be stronger, more bullish, and that the bull people, the bulls, are fighting and taking control and pushing the price up. So this is pretty much how I see it now. I want to see Avalanche getting up to the right. Now, I honestly, I should have took some profit here because that was ideal. But I'm here for the long range, right? For the long run, and I want to hold minimum for this. I want to hold it for this the whole third wave. Maybe I'm going to swing on and off because I just said now this is the third wave, so this is the wave one, this is the wave two. More likely, maybe at the third wave, I'm going to take some profits. And if we do a wave four, a deep one, then I'm going to scale back a little bit to complete the fifth one. But definitely we'll hold some for the whole 5 waves for the bigger third wave. Okay, so that's for Avalanche. Link. Well, Link, so we did the third wave, we did the fourth wave, reacted band on at the 0.382, that's perfect. It's holding this uptrend line, and now I don't want to say a dilemma, but if I take this fib extension, let me see which one was it. So I took the length of the wave 1, and I added to the wave 4, 1-to-1 ratio, 1947. I think today we almost reached that level. Let me do it that way. Oh my goodness. So we are for 1920. Okay, and then that's one. The other one, then I can say maybe we're doing a diagonal. This is the A, this is the B, and we're going to do the C. If I do that, then now I don't want to do micro counting because I'm already on the 4 hours. But if we do that, we're reaching $19.25, 26. That's amazing already because technically we did reach that level. So these are the levels that I'm looking for. For sure, it can push higher and help me to take even more profits, because I did start to take partial profits. And because we're near the end, right? And we don't know the fifth wave is. Are we really going for the I was hoping, honestly, to reach maybe 23, but it doesn't look like it's doing that. Because I was looking for the option that maybe this could have been a wave 1, this a wave 2, and then we're going to have a third wave. I mean, for the moment, everything is possible. And then and also Now I can start to put a trend here. So I don't know, maybe it looks like maybe an ascending triangle that eventually is going to break to the downside, right? But how high can it go, right? This is the question. Now let's bring some fibs. So RSI is still not overbought on the 4 hours daily. Let's see. Daily still reaching there, but still good. So it can go higher. And yeah, so this is pretty much all I wanted to cover, because I did find I was missing something. Not the others. Render honestly is not doing much. I would say it's kind of consolidating now. I'm still having that, if you want, option that we are doing, like Bitcoin maybe is going to do another lower low, but cannot go that much low because this is, let me put it on the right side, maybe going to be easier, because you already stretched a little bit lower, and you know, momentarily, so it's kind of start to be a little bit unreliable discount. Not great, honestly, but I still believe in render, so I still going to give it a chance, but clearly not as bullish as before in this latest price action. But I'm going to look for positive signs as well, and you could say that maybe we're doing this triangle, is it right? Something like that. So it's a sign of consolidation. I mean, volatility is reducing, so I would say this is preparing to skyrocket. Stock RSI are getting out from over sold. So even though the price action not really amazing, but I'm still expecting an explosion, and wouldn't be too crazy to ask to go back to the, you know, here, what was it, 1350? Yeah, 1360, 1365. I'm looking for this fifth wave range to go and challenge this previous high of the third wave, at least for the first movement. And then we shall see, right? Because this is the bigger wave 4 completed, and so it means this was micro counting, and this would be just the first wave of 5 wave of this fifth wave in yellow. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. This is going to be my last video, and enjoy the rest of the day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.